can't believe what Wike asked the security agencies to do to the protesters in Port Harcourt. The Rivers State Governor, Wike Nyesom, has banned the EndSARS protest in Port Harcourt. This was contained in a statement by the Commissioner for Information, Polenus Nrime. The SARS Must Go protests, which have engulfed the country, have been scheduled to hold in Port Harcourt on Tuesday. According to the statement, the Rivers State government hereby wish to inform the general public that all forms of protest have been banned throughout the state. Therefore, all proposed protests under EndSARS campaign are hereby prohibited. Government took this decision because the Inspector General of Police, Muhammad Adamu, had already scrapped the Special Anti-Robbery Squad. Therefore, there is no need for any form of protest against any unit of the police force that no longer exists. Parents and guardians are therefore advised to ensure that their children or ward do not violate their order. Law enforcement agencies are also directed to ensure that the ban is enforced and that violators are brought to book. Thank you, viewers, for listening to this news. You can imagine what Wike is saying. I never believed this. I never expected this from Wike. Wike, instead of him supporting your people from protesting against SARS, you are here criticizing and telling security agencies to arrest all protesters. Is this fair? Why are these people doing this to Nigerians? They are watching to see Nigerians wipe up from this country totally. Imagine, this is not fair. Despite all the pains they are going through, despite all the pains they went through, they never pitied the citizens. They never pitied Nigerian citizens. Why is all this happening? Why? People that voted you in, you're making life miserable for them. People that made you what you are today, you are really turning your back at them. This is not fair. This is not good. This is not called for. As far as I'm concerned, this is wickedness, selfishness, greed. All they know is to do what will satisfy them and not what will satisfy others. Imagine Wike that I used to know is a supporter of his citizens. I don't know why he is backing off now. I don't know why he's turning his back against his people. This is not fair. Maybe he has been bribed by this so-called government to end SARS in Rivers State as well. The same way Sanwo-Olu put a stop to the protesters that are protesting for EndSARS. This is so unbelievable. I can't believe this. I can't believe that this is happening to the citizens or indigenes of Rivers State. So viewers, you have heard it all from Wike. What would you have to say concerning this? Drop your comment below the comment box. Click on the subscription button as well as the bell button to receive updates whenever I publish any new videos. And please don't forget to like and also share this news with friends as well. Thank you.